Hello guys, Mess Graphics here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to be notified each time I drop a new video. And remember guys, the files and the work files I'll be using for this project will be found in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's get started guys. So guys, we're in Photoshop right now. I'll be using 2000 and 2000 for this project, 300 resolution and RGB color mode. So now we have my background right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shape, a rectangular shape. Then I use my blending options to change this to a blue gradient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use transform tools to rotate this shape. And then drag it to the way I want it to be. Okay. So I'm going to convert this to a smart object. Okay. Then what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be placing the logo for this project. So guys, you know how we do it. All the files we'll be using for this design will be found in the description below. So for the theme, I'll be using Communion and Prophetic Service. Okay, let me reduce the kerning a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to duplicate this, bring it down, and then add my second part for the theme and prophetic. So I'm going to reduce this and a little bit. Okay. I'll be using these two right here on the character bar. Okay, then I'm going to be reducing the space in between that. Okay. If you're enjoying the video so far guys, remember to subscribe if you are new to this channel. And remember to hit the like button. Okay, so I'm going to select all. And then I'm going to undo this. Okay. I think I should reduce this a little bit. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select all of these and I'm going to group them together. Then I'll be adding gradient to each of the individual tests. Okay, so I'll be using darker yellow and a lighter yellow for this gradient. Okay, let me change the angle a little bit. Then I'll copy the layer style and I'll just paste it on the top test. Okay, I also group this together with the service. Then bring it down a little bit. I decided not to use SQL Sans for this project. I'm just using modern number 2. I think it's number 20 and area. I had a serious issue with my system. I think my motherboard crashed. So I'm not currently using my system right now. I had my friend give me his system so I can use it to create quick content for you guys. But I didn't really just want to back down due to the fact that I don't have any system that I'm working with for now. So I just had to grab my friend's laptop and I used it to create a quick content for you guys. So shout out to my friend Wisdom for letting me use his system. Like, it was really nice of him. I really was looking forward to creating a content because I didn't really just want to back out just because I didn't have any system. So I thank God that it actually became possible. It actually happened. So big shout out to my friend Wisdom for letting us use his system. So it's actually the reason why I'm able to create this right now. So the reason why I'm using this font is because of I don't have my font collection with me for now. But with time I'm going to be getting my system fixed. Okay, let me just change the color of this first service and second service to create a form of difference between the two tests. Okay. Contrast was the word I was looking for. To create a little bit of contrast between the two tests. Okay, I'll be adding this rectangle here, but I'm not sure I'll be flying with it, but let me just see how it will look. Okay. Okay, I'll be naming this layer time, and I'll be naming this the theme. Okay. So guys, at the time I was creating this video, I'm having a really bad cold here, so that's the reason why my voice might be breaking for some time. in the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to place the background I'm using as an overlay for this shape. This is a picture of the city. So I know that this city is not actually conveying the message that I want to pass, but you know that some churches have different stuffs you know them for, just like Dominion City. Dominion City, in most of their designs, you see them incorporating a city to the design of to the background of the design that they are using for their flyer. So that's what I really wanted to achieve. I didn't just want to leave the shape empty. I didn't just want to leave it bare like that. So I decided to add something that will really spice up the background a little bit. So what I'm going to do is that I'm using my eraser to clean the edges of this background. What I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to blend the background with the shape. So I'm going to name this background or BG. Okay, let me name it background. Okay. Let me take this up a little bit. Okay, so I duplicated this for the main reason of creating the address. Okay, let me just type that in, the Crown Auditorium. So guys, despite the fact that I don't have any system that I'm working with for now, I'll still be trying my best to create great content for you guys. I'll be trying my best to be dropping flyer designs every week. And guys, I really appreciate you guys for the support and the love so far. The love has been massive from you guys. So once I'm done with this, I'll just reduce the leading a little bit. Okay, drag this up. Then I'll be adding the location icon. Okay. Okay, let me increase that a little bit. Then I'll take this up to create a different group for it. Then I'll change the color using color overlay. I'll just select the color using the color picker from here. Okay. Okay, let me zoom out. So I think I'm okay with the way this is looking for now. Okay. So guys, once again, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notified each time I drop a new video. And if you are returning to my channel, do well to leave a like, a comment, and also share this video with your friends. Like I always say, your comments are highly welcome, your feedbacks are highly welcome. Both on my social media handles, both on my WhatsApp, both on the comment section. I really love feedback from you guys because that's what makes me to get better each time. Okay, I'll align this and then I'll move it. So for the benefit of those that doesn't know, I'm actually using the left alignment. So this is where I just have my write-ups to the left. Okay, so I'll be placing this image of a guy worshiping. And because of I'm noticing like too much of red on the guy's face, I'll be using Camera Raw to treat that. Filter, Camera Raw filter. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to increase the clarity, reduce the vibrance a little bit, and then I'll change the temperature. I'll reduce the values for the temperature just a little bit. And as you can see guys, it has actually blended with the background that I used for this project. So guys, I think that will be all for now. And once again guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. So like I said guys, I'll be trying my best to be dropping new contents every week. So stay tuned to get more videos from Mez Graphics, and see you guys next time. Mez Graphics out.